Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here for a Sephora haul. I saw an influencer that influenced me about this line and it was so much up my alley. I don't know why I get influenced. I'm the one supposed to be influencing and I'm the one getting influenced. That's not cool. It is what it is. But this came in 2 days. Was it 2 days or one day? But this is the Cyklar Vanilla Verve nutrient-rich body cream. It is a lot of money for a body cream. But all it has is banana flower extract, prickly pear water, olivate, squash, fermented complex, and shea butter. And here's your... Cyklar is like super popular, but you do get a lot. And I hate the packaging. I hate this color. The passion, but... it's supposed to be really good. We're going to try it real quick. That is really good. They have the body oil, but that was like $45. I'm like, fuck no. That's a little, wow. That is like, I can see. That is not just like your everyday vanilla. It's got like a spice to it. I really like that. And then to go with it, I got the rollerball oil in the vanilla Verve. Are you kidding? It's this big. It looks so much bigger. That's like a travel size. But, you know, then again, I don't need a lot. So the notes are bergamot, green cardamom, vanilla, heliotrope, ambrette seed, Peru, balsam, amber, musk, and tonka beans. So it's like a very mature vanilla, you know, not usually that way. But it's a really cute bottle and I can bring it with me, but I'm not going to tell you what I paid. You'll be like, for that? Is anything coming out? Come on. I smell it, but like, is it not coming out of there? Okay, I smell it. That is really, really good though. That is, that's going to pair with any and everything. It's like that deeper, it's still like gourmand to me, but it smells like an expensive vanilla dessert, like vanilla custard or something with like fresh vanilla bean on top. That's what it smells like. Yeah, that smells really good. So yeah, it was over 20 bucks. It's okay. I didn't need a big bottle. I wouldn't use it all right. It's the same scent. It's by Cyklar. I love it. Is it something that you have to have? No. But it's a very rich vanilla. Like not heavy, but like super deep. It's really good. It's definitely a skin scent. It's not going to give off a lot around you, but the oil stays on your skin. You'll smell it all day until like you take a shower. God, I love it. I'll be smelling myself all day. That looks weird, but... how much? It's only 0.50 fluid ounces. Vanilla Verve though. If you see it, at least go and smell it. But yeah, that's my haul. And thank you guys for being here. Please like this video. If you're not subscribed, please do. Thumbs up and give this video a hype. And check my lives at the end of the day. And you will see this way sooner than if I edit it. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.